Hey, an Indian paint pot. Right here. Yeah, that's it. There it is. Look at that, an Indian paint pot. Find these all over the place. Yeah, Indian paint pots. Got another for the collection. Here's my current collection. Some nice ones. What are they? They're rocks that are basically iron oxide concretions. And they're made out of rusty pyrites with clay. And then they get hollowed out like this. That's some really nice ones here. Look at that one. There's a big one. Big one. When we were kids, we'd put a little water in them and use them to make war paint and put it on our faces, and we'd have mock battles in the woods.